All right, so we're finding the lateral area of this and doing it to the nearest whole number. So we can use pi, type it in, and see what it produces when we do this math. But I'm going to keep it in terms of pi for the moment, okay? The lateral area is, this is the formula for it, okay? The formula for it is pi times r times the slant height, okay? And that comes from this formula. It comes from the fact that you take, you're basically treating the lateral surface as like a triangle, finding the area of a triangle, which is 1/2 base. And the base, of course, is going to be what the circumference is, right? Going all the way around. The circumference is 2 pi r. That's how you find circumference. And then times the height of the triangle, and in this case, the height of the triangle was equivalent to the slant height. And then these two, 1/2 of 2 is 1, cancel out, and you just get what we have on top right there, which is that simplified formula. So that's where it stems from. It's like treating the outside surface like a triangle where the circumference is the base and the lateral, the slant height is the height of the triangle. So this is our formula, so all we have to do to find the lateral area is to plug it in. We say pi times the radius. Well, it's 60 all the way across, so the radius is 30 times the slant height. Well, we don't know that yet, so we have to calculate it. But check out what happens if we turn this into a triangle that we can use because it's a right triangle. If we used half of this to make our right triangle, right there, then that length is 30. And if we use this for the height, that's 40. Then we've got the 30, 40 what? Can you guess it? Yeah, that's right. So 30, 40, 50, which is just the 3, 4, 5 right triangle scaled up by a factor of 10. Everything's multiplied by 10. So that slant height is 50. Okay, and precisely for that reason. So, or that's at least how we demonstrate it. So we can then say, okay, slant height is 50. And what we end up with is 1,500 pi. This is the lateral area. It's, of course, meters squared because it's surface area. And now I'm going to type in on my calculator what we get when we get 1,500 times pi, 3.14159. We get 4,712.385. And that 0.385 is not enough to be counted as another half of a whole one. So 4,712 meters squared is our answer. And let me just write, is approximately equal to 4,712 meters squared. Yep. So in this one, you have to find the slant height, and then you have to use that formula that I have the arrow pointing at it in pink up top for the lateral area.